Welcome to the latest stock analysis powered by alphastockai.com. Today, we're diving deep into the travel booking giants. If you're looking for the most comprehensive financial insights, be sure to check out alphastockai.com for real-time stock data and in-depth analysis. Now let's break down their latest earnings and see which stock is the best investment opportunity right now. Starting with Airbnb, the short-term rental disruptor ended Q4 2024 on a high note. Revenue jumped 12% year-over-year to $2.5 billion, with a net income of $461 million. Their adjusted EBITDA hit $765 million, bringing the full-year total to a record-breaking $4 billion, with an impressive 36% EBITDA margin. Airbnb also reported a staggering $4.5 billion in free cash flow. Clear evidence that the company's model is highly profitable and scalable. CEO Brian Chesky expressed confidence in Airbnb's growth trajectory. The company has rolled out over 535 new product features, invested heavily in AI-driven personalization, and expanded aggressively into emerging markets like Brazil and Japan. With an ambitious expansion plan and a strong financial foundation, Airbnb remains a top player in the travel sector. But how does Airbnb compare to Expedia? Expedia just delivered a strong Q4, with revenue climbing 10% to $3.2 billion, and gross bookings soaring 13% to $24.4 billion. The travel giant's EBITDA hit $643 million, up 21% from last year, while its EBITDA margin expanded to 20.2%. What's driving Expedia's success? A resurgence in its B2B segment, which saw a 24% surge in bookings, and a booming advertising business that grew 25%. Clear indicators that Expedia is diversifying its revenue streams beyond traditional consumer travel bookings. Management at Expedia is focused on driving margin expansion through AI-powered operational efficiencies, loyalty program enhancements, and international expansion. Their outlook for 2025 remains solid, forecasting 4% to 6% revenue growth while continuing to optimize costs. Now, let's talk about the heavyweight in the space, Booking.com. Booking reported stellar Q3 2024 earnings, with revenue climbing 9% to $8 billion. Adjusted EBITDA hit a jaw-dropping $3.7 billion, and their net profit margin reached an industry-leading 31.49%. While Airbnb and Expedia focus on diversifying their offerings, Booking is leaning heavily into AI-driven automation and its connected trip strategy, seamlessly integrating flights, accommodations, and experiences into a one-stop-shop platform. CEO Glenn Fogel emphasized the company's competitive edge in alternative accommodations, with listings growing 10% year-over-year to 7.9 million properties. This puts Booking in a strong position to capture even more market share in 2025. Now, let's compare profitability across all three companies over the last 8 quarters. Airbnb's net profit margin has been highly volatile, ranging from negative 15.73% to a peak of 36.66%, while their gross profit margin remains strong at around 79.5%. Operating margin fluctuations indicate some instability in their cost structure. Expedia has improved its profitability with an expanding EBITDA margin, currently at 20.2%. However, it still lags behind Booking Holdings, which has been the most consistently profitable, boasting a net margin of 31.49% and an operating margin as high as 42.27%. The clear takeaway? Booking Holdings maintains a competitive edge in profitability, while Airbnb is showing promise but needs to demonstrate more consistency. So, which stock is the best buy right now? If you're looking for stability and strong profitability, Booking remains the safest bet. The company's strong margins, AI-driven innovation, and dominant market position make it an attractive long-term investment. For those looking for high-growth potential, Airbnb is the wild card, showing impressive cash flow and expansion into new markets, but with some volatility. Expedia is a solid middle ground, benefiting from B2B growth and operational efficiencies, but faces competition from both Airbnb and Booking. Want more in-depth stock analysis? Head over to alphastockai.com for real-time financial data and expert insights. Be sure to like and subscribe for more stock market breakdowns. Let us know in the comments, are you bullish or bearish on the travel sector?